Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a series-based program using C++. Now the series is given here. So when you are approaching a series in any programming language, first of all, you have to check what is the every term says. That means you can check for how a series is going by first calculating the difference between the two terms. So when you are subtracting 1000 minus 729, you will get a difference value. Then when you are subtracting 729 from 512, you can get another value. Now if this subtracting value, difference value is the same, your series is very simple. But if that is not, that means like this series, if you subtract 1000 from 729, you will get a difference. Like when you are subtracting 729 from 1000, what you will get? You will get 271. Now when you are subtracting 512 from 729, you will get some another value, 217. So the difference is not same. So when the difference is not same, it is not a very simple series, but it is simple also. Now in case if the difference is not same, you have to check for each individual terms. What is the meaning of each and individual terms? So let's first erase this out. Now, what is this 1000? You can't get anything from this one because it's one only. It can be anything. It is a simple one. It can be square of 1, cube of 1. It can be 1 to the power infinity. It always gets 1. But so leave it. We are going to the value of 8. So 8, it can be 2 cube. We can also check for 1000 because it is a very simple number 1000 to check for. It is 10 cube. So if one term of this series is 2 cube and another is 10 cube, you can also check other numbers like that. So you can write 1 as 1 cube, 729 as 9 cube, 512 as 8 cube. So simplify the series first. And when you simplified it, you can see these are the cubes of natural numbers but in descending order. So according to this simplified form, you have to write your loop. So you can say when I am writing it in simplified form, it all has a base and another is their exponent. So what will be inside the loop? Is it either base or the exponent? Now you can see the exponents are all same, that is they are all 3. But the base, they are different. So which is different, which part is different, that is our base. We will write the base inside the loop and the power, the 3, we will use it some static value, some static variable which is not changed. The changed, what is changed? The base part. So I am going to write this base part inside our loop. So they are all integer here. I am taking an integer variable I to go through the loop. Now for I, from where it is starting? It is starting from 10. So the starting value will be 10. To what number it is is going to 1. Now it is in descending order, 10 to 1. So that means you have to use the operator greater than equals to. When your series in descending order, you have to use greater than equals to in the conditional part. Why? Because greater than equals to means it will take all the values greater than 1 as well as 1 also. Because of this equals to. Now all the other numbers 10, 9, 8, 2 all are greater than 1. So we have to provide this greater than operator along with the equal sign. Now it is in descending order. So we are going to write I minus minus. Now all we have to do is printing the cube value of this I, because I goes through 10 to 1. So I into I into I. This is the cube value. If you want to print them side by side, just give it a space. Otherwise the value will be very congested. So to give a single space between the two values you are printing, you can give a space here. And if you want to print them in each line, instead of space, you can give backslash n or you can provide endl. But I am now want to print it side by side. So after printing the value itself, I am adding a space here. So this is the very simple program for this very simple series.